Hi, this is Mitch from Aquasyn. We are a bioprocessing solutions provider right here in the USA. One of our core products are standard diaphragm valves, much like this one, but from time to time we are asked to custom manufacture a valve like this, not from a catalog and usually for very specific needs. So, if the usual suspects of diaphragm valve providers are telling you it takes time to get a quote for something like this, and then 16 to 20 week lead time after that, if this is what you're being faced with, contact us. We will put you in touch with our engineer who will help you dimension a valve like this, also get you a quote and a reasonable manufacturing time, reasonable lead time. So if this is of interest to you, contact us at www.aquasyn.com, and don't forget, if you're in a rush, our standard diaphragm valves are available on Amazon. Thank you for your time.